Hi guys, you are watching my YouTube channel Jerry Tech. Friends, here we will talk about SEO, search engine optimization. So first of all, we should see its introduction. What is it? And we will discuss about it briefly. So what is SEO is one of the most important areas of digital marketing, and after it can be helpful in various roles. Helpful, it is also helpful in various roles. So as an SEO expert, as SEO expert, what can you do? As expert, you can sell your services. Your services. You can also sell your services. After it, to become an SEO expert, you will need to understand the final details. How research engine expert. What is necessary for the expert? Expert For the expert, he should know how how search engine works. We should see this one point, that how the search engine works, and then can we learn more about it. After that, you need to begin developing your SEO skills. Should develop the what you can develop is SEO skills. SEO skills, you need to develop these, and there is no shortage of SEO material on web. It recommend to find high quality SEO course, as you can easily get lost shifting through endless amount of articles. As you know, knowledge and skills begin to grow, you will want get familiar with popular SEO tools. You should be aware of SEO tools. For being an expert, to know about a tool is very necessary. So SEO is constantly changing. It's important to stay up to date on all the latest SEO changes. So SEO is varying. So varying. So you should vary with it. If you not vary with it, so you will not be the expert. To successfully sell your services, you will need to build network of potential. Build network of network of potential. Here you can see that we have discussed about the SEO. Become an SEO expert and sell SEO services. First, we have seen the introduction. It is the important areas of digital marketing, helpful in the we should see helpful in various roles. As SEO expert, sell your services. You can sell also your services. Expert, For the expert, it is necessary to know how search engine works, and you should develop SEO skills, and you should be aware of the SEO tools. And SEO is varying, you should vary with it. And for more large earning, you build network potential. So this was the all.